Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to explain you how to solve some exercises about probability. Let's begin, guys. First we have our universe, and in this we have the information about the grades and the number of students. Okay, we have all the universe already done. What we need first is to obtain the theoretical mean. Our data is on group 1. We don't have any classification of the information given, so we will calculate the normal mean. Being x the grades over the total amount of students, which is equal to 135. And then, this is our mean. For problem A, we need to find the probability from a random student whose grade is lower than the theoretical mean. The number of students that respect this condition is 56. For problem A, we need to do the following. First, divide 56 over 135. Due 56 are the restriction value. We need the following, and 135 is the total universe. We multiply the result by 100 to obtain the percentage. That will be our result and our answer. For problem B, we will do exactly the same but with different conditions. Problem B asks us for the probability to choose a random student whose grade is higher than the theoretical mean. The number of students that respect this condition is 79. So, first we divide 79 over 135. Due 79 is the restriction value. We need to add 135 is the total of the universe. Then, the result we multiply it by 100 to obtain the percentage. That will be our result and our answer. For the problem C, we'll do exactly the same but with different conditions. Problem C asks us for the probability from a random student whose grade is higher than 1050 points. The number of students that respect this condition is 46. So the procedure will be, first, divide 46 over 135. Due 46 is the restriction value we need to follow, and 135 is the total universe. Then, the result we multiply it by 100 to obtain the percentage. That will be our result and our answer.
And now we're going to solve problem D. The thing that we need to do is the following. Alright, problem D asks us to obtain the probability of choosing 5 random students whose grade is higher than 1149. The number of students that respect this condition is 44. This problem is a combination with probability elimination, and this means that we need to do 5 progressive operations. So these are the 5 progressive operations that I said before. The 44 over 135 represents the 44 students in total over the whole universe. Then the 43 over 134 represents this other student that we're going to choose randomly. Since we're going to choose 5, that's why we need to do 5 random operations or progressive operations. As you see, there is only a difference of 1 in each term, and that's because we need to subtract a student, because a student can't be repeated twice. And we're going to multiply everything by 100 in order to obtain the result in a percentage. So 0.31% is going to be our result and our answer. Now for problem E, we are going to do exactly the same but with different conditions. Alright, so for problem E, ask us to obtain the probability of choosing 3 random students whose grade is higher than 1200. The number of students that respect this condition is 15. Alright, so here we're going to do exactly the same that we did in the past problem, but instead of 5 progressive operations, we're going to do 3 progressive operations. That again, 15 over 135 represents the whole number of students over the whole universe. Then we subtract another student, and we do so over the whole operation. We multiply it by 100 in order to obtain the resulting percentage. So 0.11% is going to be our answer and our result. Alright, problem F asks us to obtain how many ways can 15 students be arranged if there are only 3 lines. In order to solve this problem, we will use a combination law. It asks us for the number of possible combinations without considering a specific order. In the formula, n is a set of elements and r is always going to be lower or equal to n. So by doing the substitution on the formula, we're going to obtain that 15 is going to be equal to n, do is our set of elements, and 3 is lower than 15. Doing the factorials and the division, we are going to obtain 455. And that is going to be our result, which is the number of possible combinations following these conditions and our answer. Problem G is exactly the same as problem D, but is reduced in a different way. So we will produce the same procedure that we did. So first we're going to do the 5 progressive operations multiplied by 100, and that will give us 0.31%. So that is going to be our answer and our result.
According to INE, the minimum result needed to pass the exam is 700 points and the maximum 1,300 points. Our universe of students, none of them, the minimum result they obtain a higher score, giving us a 100% of students who pass the exam. So this institution and its preparation have great results since the mean grade is 1,112 points. Yes, in this specific case it due since the probability to success and they achieve the goal, passing the exam, is a 100%, even though probability is not always reliable since it could change in any moment by many factors or context.
That's everything, folks. Thanks for watching. We wish you the best of lucks.